Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a custom event in Facebook ads. Custom events help you track specific actions on your website so you can optimize ads better. Let's start. Step 1. Open Events Manager. Go to your Facebook Ads Manager. Click Events Manager from the menu. Here you will see your pixel. This is what tracks actions on your website. Step 2. Choose your pixel. Select the pixel you want to use. Click Add Events, then From the Pixel, then Custom Event. This lets you define a new action you want to track. Step 3. Name your event clearly, like Purchase, Sign Up, Add to Cart. Then choose the category that matches it. For example, Purchase or Lead. This helps Facebook understand what kind of action it is. Step 4. Set the event code or URL. Next, you can set the event. Use code, add the custom event code to your website manually, or use URL. Track when someone visits a specific page, like a thank you page. If you're not sure, start with URL. It's easier. Step 5. Test the event. Go to your website and perform the action. If Facebook detects it, your custom event is ready to use in campaigns. And that's it. Now you know how to create a custom event in Facebook ads. Use it to track important actions and improve your ad performance. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.